Charles Deam and Morgan Monroe, and doing a nice little solo one night trip. We're on the Grub Ridge right now. We're going to make our way to the Peninsula Trail, camp on the lake, hopefully, and then come back out in the morning. The leaves and everything are turning. It's only mid-September, so I think with the weather we've been having, the leaves are changing a little faster. Last year they didn't change till like mid-October, so we had a late season for the leaves to turn, so I'm not mad at it. It's just a little early, it seems like. I thought a big old branch fell from a tree and slammed the ground, and then I seen it jump, and it was a deer that actually went that way. It scared the crap out of me. It's like so quiet out here, then all of a sudden you hear a thud. I could not have asked for better weather if I wanted to. 70 degrees outside right now. It's only supposed to drop into the mid-50s tonight, so I got my 20-degree bag, sleeping bag. I'm trying the hammock for the first time tonight, so no tent, and it was supposed to get down in the low 40s, is what they were saying last week when I planned the trip, but I'll take mid-50s all day, boy. I'm moving a little slow. Usually good rule is about 3 miles an hour, and usually what my strides are, and for the like average person, but I'm moving at like 30 minutes a mile, so 2 miles an hour is not good, so we need to crank it up. Very hard to see, but more deer running. I'm pretty sure early hunting season here, so glad I got as much orange on as I got, but hope the deer weren't spooked by a hunter. Just hope. All right, hitting the junction here already. It's 2.5 miles. We got here in an hour, so happy about that. Picked the pace up just a tad bit. So this area right here, we first time we came out here, we didn't understand what happened because everything, all the trees are down, as you can see, and we looked it up, and apparently a tornado came through here a couple years ago, made the news and everything. So it's kind of crazy, but this place is just wrecked. It's like horses have been on this trail recently. That was a lot of poop. Definitely in a groove. I didn't even film anything. Just meant like a steady pace and just cruising. I really think people say there's a runner high. I really think there's a hiker's high. Because I was just thinking about nothing and just moving. And then I look up, got about a half mile to go. I want to knock us out here. And I should be at the lake. Did I mention it's really nice out? I think I did. There's the lake. I made it. You got like rock chairs and everything. Fire pit, the lake. Definitely not gonna take that though. And it's more for a bigger family or a bigger group. So I'm gonna go back to the spot we were at last time. The spot that I wanted is already taken, so that sucks. But I have a feeling all the spots are going to be taken by the end of the day, so at least I can choose the next best one. So I'm going to go ahead and get my hammock set up, kind of claim the spot. Not the best setup, but I'll take it. It's not supposed to rain tonight, but I don't trust Bloomington and southern Indiana's weather because it was supposed to be clear skies before when it rained on us, so I'll forage for some wood. And usually all this area is already cleared out, so actually I could walk a while, find some down limbs. Who freaking hauled a picnic table out here? The only way to get it out here is by boat or actually walking it in. So I'm kind of curious. I'm actually really curious now. Kind of wandering around here looking for more limbs, and look what I come across. A sweet spot, and look at all that fresh cut, perfectly cut wood. I'm gonna have to take some. Oh my god. Water's never tasted so good. Hot out here. Feels good. I just got some water to filter since I drink everything. I'm dehydrated, so mosquitoes are so bad down by the water. So you got your bag full here of dirty water, your Sawyer, and then all I do is just filter it right into the bottle, just like so. And this little pouch you can squeeze, so I like to roll it like a toothpaste. And when you're done filtering, you can drink it. Or if you need, you can drink it right from the bag. I've never had any issues, and I've been using this thing for a couple years now.
One eternity later.
This was pretty good. Normally I wouldn't get it, but it was the only thing that had the most calories in it. So when you're out here backpacking, you definitely need the most calories per bite. So what I got. Not a sponsor. Really hard to beat that sunset right there. Looks like it's about to rain. There's like 2 to 5% chance. And it looks like this. I think what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and pack up. And the radar's not saying it's supposed to rain or anything, but it doesn't look promising. If I can get half the hike out of no rain in case it does rain, I'd rather at least get that in instead of hiking a whole 5 miles in the rain. So it's not raining. Maybe I can get all my gear out and dry. I'm just gonna leave my bag. I have my raincoat I can use, so. I want to try to get out of here a little faster than when I came in yesterday. Took just under 2 hours. I want to try to, hour 45 I'd be happy with, so we'll see. Those hills, they kick my butt every time, man. I have a candy bar. I'm trying to save it, but I really, really want it right now. Nice little sugar rush. I was gonna stop at the junction back there. Well, there were people camping there. And then I heard they're shooting guns and everything, so I decided just to, I only got 2 miles left, so I might as well just get out here. I got Gatorade in the car, eat my chocolate bar, and not get shot by the hunters. Almost there. Alright, down to my last mile. I gotta go a little bit faster if I want to hit the hour 45 minutes on this one. It's a little busy. I'm glad I'm leaving. Holy crap. I stink. We did get back to the car in 1 hour 46 minutes, so I'm okay with that time. I was close. 5 miles, 1 hour 46. Oh yeah. I'm glad I waited. This is delicious. Alright. Time to head home. Thank you for watching the video. If you've made it this far, please consider liking and subscribing. If you're gonna go out camping, please remember to leave no trace. Thanks again for watching. See you guys next time.